Welcome to 2.2 day 1. Our goal today, we're going to write large values using scientific notation. First, step 1, we're going to locate that decimal. Then we're going to move the decimal until we get a number between 1 and 10. Then we're going to count how many spaces we moved, and we're going to rewrite the new number with a decimal and the base 10 exponent. Here's your vocab for today. Scientific notation is a method of expressing a very large or small number as the product of a number between 1 and 10 and some powers of 10, like shown below. Oops. And here's my example. So I have 93 million. Where's the decimal? It is at the end. If you have a whole number like this, it always has at the end right there. Now I'm going to move this until I get a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I stop here, I have 93. That is not between 1 and 10, so I'm going to go one more. And my new decimal is now here. So I now rewrite this decimal, 9.3. And then I always write times 10. That is always there. That's how we write scientific notation, because times 10 just tells me how many times I move the decimal. Every time you multiply by 10, it moves the decimal once. So how many times did I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So it's going to be 9.3 times 10 to the 7th power. Final answer. Okay, let's do another one. I got 6,400. I'm going to write this bigger. Where's the decimal? Is it over here? No. It is at the end, right here. Now we're going to move this until we get a number between 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3. 6.4, that's between 1 and 10, times 10. And how many times did I move? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Final answer. Great job. Okay, we'll do one more. I got 2,300,000. Got some commas. Where's the decimal? You got it. It's at the end. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. My new decimal is 2.3 times 10 to the 6th. Final answer. You do not need to write all these zeros. The point of scientific notation is we get to write less numbers. So if the zeros are at the end, you don't have to write it. If the zeros are in the middle, then you have to write them.